Well, hello again, and welcome again to another episode of Down to Earth but Heavenly Minded. I'm your host, Derek Brish. We've been going through the booklet, the Jesus Personal Pocket Promise book, and this was by David Wilkerson. And we're going to be in part 4 today. You can expect the answer to your prayer. And the key verse is John 15:7. If you abide in him, if you abide in me and my word abides in you, ask whatever you wish, and it will be done for you. This is a promise of God. There's a condition here, but there's also a promise. Now, these are all the follow-up verses. Therefore, I say to you, all things for which you pray and ask, believe that ye have received them, and they shall be granted you. Mark 11:24. Thou hast given him all heart's desire, and thou hast not withheld the request of his lips. Psalms 21:2. We know that all things work together for good to them that love God, to them who are called according to his purpose. Romans 8:28. Yes, the Lord hears the good man when he calls to him for help, and saves him out of his trouble. Psalms 34:17. Be delighted with the Lord, then he will give you all that your heart desires. Psalms 37:4. Call upon me in the day of thy trouble, and I shall rescue you, and you will honor me. Psalms 50:15. As for me, I will call upon God, and the Lord shall save me. Psalms 55:16. Evening and morning and at noon will I pray and cry aloud, and he shall hear my voice. Psalms 55:17. In the day of my trouble I shall call upon thee, for they will answer me. Psalms 86:7. Ask, and it shall be given you. Seek, and you shall find. Knock, and it shall be opened to you. Matthew 7:7. It shall come to pass that before they call, I will answer, and while they are yet speaking, I will hear. Isaiah 65:24. Call to me, and I will answer you, and will tell you great and mighty things which you do not know. Jeremiah 33:3. Then you will call, and the Lord will answer you. You will cry, and he will say, Here I am. Isaiah 58:9. Yes, ask anything using my name, and I will do it. John 14:14. He shall call upon me, and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honor him. Psalms 91:15. Wherever we ask, or whatever we ask, we will receive of him, because we will keep his commandments and do those things that are pleasing in his sight. 1 John 3:22. Again, I say unto you, that if two or three will agree on earth, according to, where two will agree on earth as touching anything that they shall ask, it shall be done for them. And my Father which is in heaven, Matthew 18:19. And my people which are called by my name shall humble themselves, and pray and seek my face, and humbly turn my face from their wicked ways. They will receive from heaven, and will forgive their sins, and heal their land. 1 Chronicles 7:14. Few more verses, and everything you ask, pray, believing, you shall receive. Matthew 21:22. Everyone who asks receives, and he who seeks will find. To him who knocks it shall be open. Luke 11:10. This is the confidence which we have before him, that if we ask anything according to his will, he hears us. 1 John 5:14. And if we know that he hears us, and whatever we ask, we know that we will request which we have asked from him. 1 John 5:15. Since he did not spare even his own son, for us to give him up for us, would he also surely give us everything else? Romans 8:32. Commit your ways unto the Lord. Trust in the Lord with all, and he will do it. Psalms 37:5. And the last verse, he is a rewarder of them that diligently seek him. Hebrews 11:6. So we see, we can expect an answer to our prayers. All we have to do is trust all the promises of God. So with that said, until next time, for now, God bless.